Hello viewers, another air raid siren in Los Angeles. This is Siren 112. It's another rotating. It's on Reseda Boulevard and Arminta Street in Reseda, California. We're just a few miles away from Siren 108. It's another rotating. San Fernando Valley has a lot of rotating sirens. So here's the map. So that's where this one is. These are the ones I've been to. So the pole dish is bad shape, peeling paint. Let's see, pole is not too bad. And then there's the electric right here. So definitely no electric to the pole. Anyway, there you go. Another air raid siren in Los Angeles. Another rotating. Siren 112 in Reseda, California here. No electric to this one. All right. Thanks for watching.